Asus ROG Strix G16. Unitysystems Solutions. $100 AC adapter, output 20 volts DC. ROG Impact Gaming Mouse. The Republic of Gamers was built by those who love to play video games. All ROG designs come with gamers in mind, from the chassis, lighting integration, software controls, and macro functions. These ROG-exclusive design features not only give you a competitive advantage, but they make sure you never blend in with the crowd. The Strix G16's pixel art accents have been redesigned for 2024, giving the chassis more flavor and flair, while still being easily identifiable as an ROG machine from across the room. Processor Intel Core i9-14900HX processor 14th Gen 2.2 GHz. Graphics NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070. Memory 16 GB DDR5, 5600, SO, DIMM. Storage 1 TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe M.2 SSD. This 16-inch machine offers a 2.5K 240Hz Nebula display, a 1610 panel with 500 nits of brightness, 100% DCI-P3 coverage and 3 milliseconds response times. The Strix G16 has pixel-perfect precision even in the most frenetic firefights. The Strix G16 is also available with a full HD 165Hz panel, with each option offering fantastic color, Dolby Vision, adaptive sync support, camera 720p HD camera. The difference between victory and defeat can be separated by a single keystroke, so the Strix G16 has a full-size keyboard designed to secure the win. Overstroke technology offers sublime work and play, reducing key actuation and improving responsiveness. Built with gamers in mind, the keyboard features spaced function keys for intuitive identification and dedicated hotkeys for quick access to essential commands. Large arrow keys allow for more accurate control in the heat of battle. A larger touchpad means easier tracking across all of your applications. Per key RGB lighting lets you choose from millions of colors on every key for endless customization and is compatible with Windows dynamic lighting. You can also create game-specific layouts via Armory Crate, making every game feel unique. Large touchpad. The Strix G16's large touchpad also comes with a glass coating for effortless scrolling and a premium feel. More space means greater precision along with more comfortable hand movements and gestures while you're navigating, and a glass coating keeps all of your hand motions silky smooth. The Strix G series is built from the ground up for gamers and, of course, game developers. The Strix G16 can run all of the latest game engines, enabling you to unlock your creativity and try your hand at making the next great game. Whether you're a digital artist, streamer, video editor, or dabble with animation and game development, the Strix G16 has all the horsepower you need to take your creations to the next level. Featuring an Intel Core i9 processor and up to an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series laptop GPU, complex projects on popular development tools like Unity and Autodesk render in a snap. Studio-quality sound dual Dolby Atmos-powered speakers create an authentic soundstage for your games. High-res audio ensures you hear your music in the same quality it was recorded. Two-way AI noise cancellation processes both incoming and outgoing audio to filter any errant background noises, making sure that your calls, chats and streams come through without distraction. Power through any game or project with an Intel Core i9 processor 14900HX, featuring up to a 65W TDP and a hybrid architecture built from the ground up for Windows 11 Pro. With up to 8 performance cores and 16 efficient cores and Intel's latest application optimization technology increasing frames rates to up to 40% in supported titles, AAA gaming is flawless and streaming is effortless. Top-tier components require power, especially when it comes to maximizing your GPU's performance. Powered by NVIDIA DLSS 3, ultra-efficient ADA Lovelace Arch, and Max-Q technologies, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series laptop GPU is fully unleashed with a max TGP up to 175W with dynamic boost. When you want to tweak settings, monitor temperatures, or tinker with your laptop, Armoury Crate is your command center. Real-time monitoring allows you to see what your GPU, CPU and memory are doing. RGB can be adjusted on a game-by-game basis with Aura Sync. Fan and power profiles allow you to change the acoustics, power delivery, and thermal characteristics of the laptop on the fly. And exclusive game deals keep your library topped off at all times. The Strix G16 is ready to go the distance. Featuring a 90 watt-hours battery, the laptop can easily browse the web for hours away from the wall before needing a recharge. For flexibility on the go, USB Type-C charging is supported up to 100W. When charging using the supplied 330W power adapter, the G16 can recharge from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. Tri-fan technology, full surround vents. Up to 15 degrees Celsius cooler CPU and GPU temperatures. Covered by 7 heat pipes.